So there are many bunny places here in Durban. Fantastic variety, insanely good bunny chows. But I've been to this place many times before, and no one seems to even talk about it. But in Suncoast, Jira restaurant. I haven't been here for about 5 years, but the bunny, the quality, the service has been amazing, and what they provide with your bunny chow. So I'm hoping after 5 years, it's pretty much the same. So I'm just hoping for a fantastic bunny, and we'll get into it just now. Thank you. Okay, so this is the bunny chow, mutton bunny. You can see how much gravy they put on it. So basically the bunny is basically a loaf of bread or quarter loaf. And you just have to cut out the middle, put your curry inside and eat it like that with the bread, and then you just start digging around from the sides. But what's the best thing about it as well, the icing on the cake of this bunny, is that with every bite, you have to have some salad with it, because it just caps off the taste. There's the gravy. Not too spicy. Let's take some more. Let's take some salad. Let's try some of the meat. Meat here, see the bones. There's a lot of bones on it. And this could be an everyday food if you want it to be. It's a lot of bread, I would say. A lot of bread, but sometimes you just gotta have it. I find it best on a Sunday. Put some salad on it because taking that meat from there, the bread, find some meat here. That's how it is. Salad on it, some pickles on it. Just filling, just hearty meat, filling, flavors are there. And if you're just enjoying your meal while eating. You can't say that a lot sometimes, but this one you can just have, you can just taste just a plethora of flavors. On the salad, that's cold salad, the hot curry and then the cold salad on top, really is quite satisfying. And the potato, you can see the gravy is just in that potato. Just soaks up all that gravy. You can see the evidence on my t-shirt here. All the stains from eating curry. It's a good lesson not to wear something white or a fair color, white color when eating curries. Supposed bunny verdict is the curry wasn't that good, but when you combined it with the pickle and the salad, it obviously elevated the flavor and it tasted much better. But curry on its own didn't have a lot of salt. I think, yeah, definitely not one of the best bunnies I've had. Not the greatest, but still satisfying after a long time of having a bunny chow. Still good with pickle and everything. The combination was good. This is soji. Soji is made of semolina, that's wheat, and condensed milk and sugar goes into it, and it turns out like this. And you can also add like almonds, colored almonds, and fresh cream, and all these other things. But mainly this is how it looks like. It's a very, I think, warming dessert after a big meal. Oh, and I forgot that you can actually put you can taste the cardamom in there, ilachi. It's very, very prevalent in the taste of it. You just get the cooling kind of cream at the bottom. Like it's already soft, the soji, and then the cream kind of, I don't know, it just like blends it, cools it down, it's like it becomes a drink at some point. Like a very thick drink. Very nice. With the almonds as well. One of the best things to have, soji. So this is vermicelli. Vermicelli is basically vermicelli noodles, and you make it with milk or you can make it with fresh cream. It's a really nice dessert. It's not like long noodles of vermicelli. It's just very short noodles of vermicelli, and you just put it in the pan, mix it with some cinnamon and some milk and all of that, and you just get a very neat dessert out of it. Very soft, similar to the soji, just very warm. This goes down quite well. Sweet. Got some almonds in there as well. That's very creamy as well. And that butter, you can just taste that richness and